If you are interested in making money online, then this can be one of the best videos for you. Just smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, because I'm going to show you a strategy which works all over the world, and you can just sign up on this website and start working on this website just after watching this video today. So now let's jump into our awesome and juicy content. This is one of the awesome website from where you can make some good income online, and as well as there are so many people who are working on this website and they are making some good amount of money. Okay, and this can be really amazing. You can work as a freelancer on this website, as well as I'm also going to show you how you can work on this website and really get real clients so that you can make some good money online. Okay, and it is really simple and easy, and the services which are provided on this website are really awesome, as well as it has a very low competition as compared to Fiverr, which is one of the biggest freelancing platforms. So you can definitely go and start working as a freelancer on this simple website, which can be really rewarding for you. Okay, so you can see they provide the designing services, and so that you can do all this work over here. You can make a logo design, you can make a business card design, web design. All these design categories are available over here on this website. Okay, you can work on any of these categories, you can design any of these things, and you will be paid money. In this video I'm gonna also show you how you can design this stuff really very simply utilizing a particular software, which is really just a drag and drop template based software which you can utilize and create all this awesome stuff. Okay, and provide that stuff to your client and make money with it, which is the best thing which you can do. Okay, so you can see all these different kinds of templates. People come over here, they design these templates and make money. Okay, you can see the website name is DesignCrowd.com. okay, I'm also gonna show you the software with which you can create the designs, so don't skip the video. Okay, so you can see all these categories, all these designers are available, as well as you can click over here and you can find a lot of jobs which are related to different type of designing. Okay, so let's take the most simple one, which is really awesome, and that is logo design. Okay, logo design is the easiest thing to do, or t-shirt design is also a nice one. Okay, so let's select the logo designs. Okay, so you can just see all these people are providing you a job and you can design logos for them. Okay, and you can see this guy is willing to pay $190 if you design a logo for this guy. This guy is willing to pay $150. okay, this guy is gonna pay 190 euros, which converts into more money as compared to US dollars. Okay, you can see this guy is gonna pay $150. So all these people are really gonna pay you money for this. Okay, and that is something which is the best thing about this website, because the work is available maximum times on this website. Okay, so there is a huge chance that you will find more and more clients on this website, as the design and the algorithm of this website is designed in such a way that it is really very likely that you will get more clients on this website as compared to Fiverr, which has 1,000 times more competition as compared to this website. Okay, so from where you can design logos. Now I'm going to show you the easiest and the most friendly tool in the world which people utilize to make legendary logos, and that is Canva. Okay, so you can go sign up a free account on Canva, and you can come over here and you can probably search for logo designs. Okay, you can just create logos on Canva within 5 minutes. Okay, so it is really simple. You will find all this kind of really awesome templates. Okay, so you can see this is one of the cool templates which you can see over here. You can just edit this template in any of the kind. Okay, you can just change its color, and all these options are available. Let's just change the color of this template. Okay, it is really simple. You just need to click over here and we will make it this color. Okay, and this one also we will make it this color. Yeah, it looks really awesome. Okay, now let's just change it to subscribe. Okay, So it is really important to press the subscribe button, and you can see one of our logo has been created. Now what you need to do is, you have created a logo, you just need to click on this download button and you can download this logo. In the same manner, you can create logos for the clients which are available on this website, and you can start making money with it, which is really simple, easy. And you can create logos within 2 to 3 minutes, and you can see all these different templates about logos are available, which are really easily editable. So why you are waiting, and why not to start this stuff and start earning money as soon as possible? Just after watching this video, go over here on this website. You just need to click on, just go to this website, okay? Then you just need to click on this DesignCrowd, okay? Then you just need to go over here and you just need to click over here, I want to work, okay? You don't want a design to be created, you want to work over here. Just click on this join now, just click on, just down, put on your email, your password, and click on let's go make some money online. And that's it, okay? And then you just need to apply for all those jobs which are available on this website, as well as you will find a lot of clients who will really pay you real money just for creating these designs, okay? I highly suggest you to not to go in the logo department because it has a ton of competition, but you can create t-shirt designs, you can also create flyer designs, okay, business card designs, graphic designs. All this can be created utilizing Canva, okay? And if you don't know how to create all this stuff, there are a ton of tutorials which are available on YouTube, okay? You can just check out those tutorials. Half an hour of watching some tutorials, you can really create a design, okay? I just learned how to make this logo in half an hour just by watching a YouTube video which showed me how to create a logo design on Canva. And you can also learn how to create a flyer design or a graphic design or t-shirt design on Canva within half an hour just by watching some tutorials and little bit of applying your own brain, utilizing your own creativity. You can make it really simple. Once you just start doing this stuff, you will eventually develop a very good skill about designing any of the stuff utilizing Canva. And once you have gathered the skill, after that the money flows into your pocket, okay? You get paid for your skills and you will be paid money if you are skilled, okay? Just remember that money should not be your first thing when you are starting to work in this way, but your skill is important. Once you have developed the skill, you have the skill, you can provide the service, people will pay you money. And that's the best thing, and that's the right strategy which you need to understand if you want to make money online. And you just had understood all the stuff, and if you have watched this video until now, then I just want to say that you are really awesome, and you are really going to be on a longer journey of making money online from the internet, which only 1% of the people do in this world, okay? So definitely smash the like button and smash the subscribe button if you got some value out of this video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching our awesome videos, as well as 2 other awesome videos about make money online will be appearing on the screen. You can also check out those videos.